Well, I've seen the ads, and then my girlfriend got one of these pergolas, and so we love theirs, and then we called them and had them come give us a bid and started the process. Through their pictures of that they were showing me, we liked the more arch stuff with more detail. So just looking at the pictures that they were showing me, that's kind of how we decided what we wanted to do. So with the stain, we decided to go lighter because our house is brown. So we didn't want the brown on brown, so we kind of went with an all natural, and just to keep it lighter in the backyard. Yes, so we are south facing, and our house is way hot, and so having the pergola and everything just keeps that shade right along the whole back of the house, and it's really cut down on the heat. My favorite part is actually coming out and using my patio now. Before, we would put up some umbrellas, and it was just really not something that was inviting that we like really came out and used. So now it just seems like an extension of our house. Yes, I would recommend the timber frame. They came right out, told me exactly what it was going to be. They told me what I needed to do to accomplish that, so we got everything going, and when the day they said that they was going to be here, they was here with the crew, and they were in and out in 3 or 4 hours, and everything was done just perfect. So we haven't had any issues.
How did we find Western Timber Frame? We found them through our neighbor, who had been doing some work with them in advertising, and said give them a call, and we did. The color came because it matches the trim to the house, and the design was really the fellow who came out and helped us with it. We told him what we wanted as far as trying to keep the sun off of the back of the house.
Which was one of the main objectives.
And have it look like it was part of the house, that we didn't just add it on. And so he went through the steps with us and helped us pick out what we needed.
So we told him the stain color, and it came stained. And after they assembled it, they just touched it up, and it matches the house perfectly.
No, not at all. The only obstacle might have been through the HOA, and we told them what we wanted to do and told them who we were going to have do it, and they said, go for it, with our blessings. So it worked out quite well. We have several times.
I definitely would recommend it.
In fact, we have 2 others in the neighborhood now.